Birthday girl. Happy birthday. So good morning. Today is a birthday day.
It's
Because
the
it's
afternoon.
Anna's birthday. Greet her happy birthday. Happy birthday. So we're going to be eating lots of food
Lots and lots.
and cooking lots of food. Actually, it's first cook and then eat. So what can you say to mommy? It's her
birthday.
Happy birthday.
Same size.
So as you can see, even if it's her birthday today, we're still doing lots of chores. Like we're cutting these foam seats for the bench, this bench and that bench. So it's going to be a busy day today.
Yeah, busy. Anak, wala ka na naman chinelas.
Hindi ko nga mahanap eh. Mahanap ko ngayon.
Okay, we have our two cousins fighting using foam. Survival of the fittest. Attack! Okay, we have our
Teddy!
two pancit deliveries. Says happy birthday. Also here says happy birthday.
Mamaya, lalamig yun.
Ito na, we have our pancit.
Bibigyan mo rin naman siya eh.
Then, sa bibigyan natin.
Ano ba yung isa? Yan, nakuha kang plato mo.
Si Mylene. Nandito pa rin sa video. See, we've got things cooking. So, I'm not gonna show you the recipe, but we're gonna show you the final outcome of our cooking. Birthday girl, right?
Birthday ko.
So it's obvious that this is a shrimp, buttered shrimp with Sprite. The usual, it's what Filipinos usually cook if they have shrimp.
Next na shrimp ko si Arlene ko. Lutuin ko. Ibang putahe naman.
Yes, so Arlene will be cooking soon on our channel. Iyan na ate.
Kasama niyo na rin po dito
Ay.
yung avocado.
Iyan na ate Wendy will be making some avocado ice cream again.
I wanna help.
Sure. I mean, yes. What did I just say? Yours? Oh, what happened? Something bit you?
With that, sis,
I wanna help.
Oh, you have your
the color
avocado
has
already
changed because
because you kept it in the freezer for
in the refrigerator.
overnight.
Yep, because
Yeah, but actually,
But it has a nice color.
no, it doesn't. It's yellow.
It has a nice yellow and green color that looks
mix
delicious.
it. I'm gonna need the
Kaya now you do the mixing.
Junction! Hindi ko lang alam kung malaking
Is it easy to mix?
Hello!
Hello.
Ako, tingnan mo. Yan.
ang liit na yan.
Saan ko nilagay yung mixing bowl ko eh.
So liit. Matamis ko ba? Hindi.
Wala nga eh.
Ulang? Uy. Natatamis ko na. Kumbaga yung tamis. Tama lang sa may mga sugar. Ah.
So bigyan mo ito ng sugar. So what do you have there?
All-purpose cream.
And
Dito.
is this frozen? Is that frozen? Ulit. Now. No, tulad ng what you were saying kanina.
Doon sa may lock lang siya.
Green is life.
Green is light, and this is green, so that must be light.
Mami,
Squeeze
pwede
it.
na Oh, yan, squeeze mo.
Eh, sabi nila, may mamaya na lang kasi kinakain.
Try nga yung squeeze.
Eh, sabi, sige, meron naman ako. Akin na sa akin. Eh, hindi na, mamaya na lang, sabi ko rin, kasi merong pinadala sa Timari na manok din. Ano, buffalo.
Buffalo?
Buffalo.
Baka yun.
Buffalo.
Parang baka yun buffalo.
Buffalo.
Sabi ko, ano siya.
Kalabaw. Explain what you're doing.
Whipping.
Whipping what?
The all-purpose for it to be fluffy.
Ay! Matalsik.
Dapat
Meron
malalim.
pala akong malalim. Pero, parang siya may mga ganun. Wal! Wal!
Sabihin mo eh. Sinasabi.
It needs to be fluffy. You need to get air into the cream.
It's
for the
better if
ice
your
cream.
bowl is deeper.
Oh, you need to have a deeper bowl. Yana, what did you get from the freezer? What did you get from the freezer? That's condensed milk?
Smells like candy.
That's condensed milk.
Yan
yeah.
ako din yung phone.
Oh, Kyle!
Condensed milk. So you're going to add this condensed milk here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yan ang phone ko.
Oh, I know what we're missing. Lights.
The lights.
L-I-N-U.
Lights. There you go. See? That's better. Why?
I'm not for preparation.
Sleepy.
Yan, sa gitna. Parang palagay sa langaw. Ay, sa langaw.
Dalangaw?
Sa ulam. Langaw.
Nalagay sa langaw yung plastic.
Ano?
I'm gonna transfer.
So this needs to be chunky. You don't need to.
Yup.
Okay, chunky ice cream is good. Yana, you want to assist? So once you transfer it, what's next?
You're gonna put this.
And then you mix again? So that's 50%. So you're adding the cream now, the fluffy cream. And then are you going to use the mixer again here?
Kind of.
Oh, I thought you were gonna put another layer of avocado on top. So it's kind of like 50% avocado and 50% cream.
Yeah.
So have you already added the sugar? No need? Okay, so there's no need to add sugar. Just the cream because it's already sweet. And the condensed milk, yeah, that's already sweet. So no need to add sugar. Unless you want it really sweet. But sugar can be bad for you if you have too much of it. And then when you fold it,
I think we're gonna need to add some more because it's still. Ito lalagyan ng
Pa-help. Help dito.
Hoy, laki.
Ayaw nga eh.
Ayan, bawasan muna natin yung ano.
Pero,
Sa ibabaw.
Tita Arlene, kabisado niya.
Ay, nag-aalala.
That's a big cling wrap.
Lang malaki lang.
Kaya nga. Sabi, let's
Magsasawa.
let's add some more.
Okay, add some more.
Cream rock.
Tulungan mo si tita.
Tawag dyan, cream rock.
Gunting.
Nagsaya nga rin kung kumilito.
Sayang, magpapasaya. Pag dito pa naman, ang nipis-nipis ng mga nabibili.
Ito kutsilyo.
Saan niya ginagamit?
Kung saan lang.
Saan ko pugupitin?
Wala naman kasi kaming binabalutan. Hindi po.
Ay, daddy ko, wala uli yan sa ano mo, sa remote mo.
Oo. Wendy, lagyan mo din yung remote ha.
Oo nga. Ito pala.
Matibay na cling wrap to. Hindi ka tulad ng nandito. And then sa freezer na to. So the plastic wrap that needs to stick
Yep.
to the frame.
Ganyan lang
Right.
siya.
Ganun pala yun.
Hindi takip.
Hindi talaga siya.
Akala ko may mixer mo pa to.
Hindi na. Fold lang.
Pinarara lang ilang araw.
Ganito muna. Wala ang aking lamesa. Wait.
Totoo na. Totoo naman.
Ang galing.
Dito.
Saan ma?
Sa kabila.
Gusto ko din makita.
Maga ko na nakita.
Oh, kasali ka dyan. Sige, joke na. Yan ang panood ko yung cereal mo. Ang galing mo.
Laing nga natutapon eh.
Nilike ko yon.
Dito mo na daan. Wait lang.
Ganda ang saya mo. Nakikita ko yung glow.
Glow. Walang work. Glow mo kami. Ayun si Tita Arlene, wala ata siyang help.
Hindi. Uy, yan. Ano ba? Wala ka ano.
Ito
Pang revealing.
Kaya,
Baka lumabas tricks.
Hindi tayo lang maging happy.
We're gonna transfer
Yabang
it
ng
to
phone mo ah.
another refrigerator.
Yabang pati naman ng phone.
Because the ref in our house is already full.
is already
ko nagbibigal. Kaya annoying.
Yan na ba matisig?
Eliana the vlogger. Oo nga.
Ay na.
Ano ng part ng bahay nila dito na? Saan na to?
Alin?
Saan part ng bahay niya to? Magasang
Ah,
sala?
hindi. Oh, medyo kusina pa ata.
Yung.
Ito, ang katapat.
So, baby, kumusta ikaw?
Pusa.
Saan to?
Si Dan.
Dito, nag-ikot.
Ayan. Baka naman.
Yan na. Ito, video mo. Ba't mo binibideo yung pinto?
Hindi ka na rin.
Natin
Ay, wow, ang dami.
Oo nga.
Hindi.
Masungit talaga siya yung itsura niya, pero maba. Ay, may ganyan pala. Nagpa-frozen din po to.
Oo. Ito mo. Bilis na.
Ayan. Okay. See you later.
See you later.
So ito na.
Pwedeng iigun mo.
Video chat ko lang. Kapag ko open ko na. Ay, napanya ako.
Sino?
Ay, wait lang daw. Kailangan i-video chat yung nagbigay.
Kaso, kung active pa siya.
Yabang
Active
ng
yun.
phone mo.
Yan na. Ito na yung unboxing ng
Ito na.
Nandito po na.
Happy birthday.
Nakakalimutan ko.
Ito na, bubuksan na ang iyong bigay. We are opening your gift of food. Tada!
Ito lang, pasilip lang.
Okay na.
Okay na?
Reaction.
Pasilip lang eh.
Reaction ng reaction sa video ng nagbigay.
Titignan ko lang kung okay yung deliver.
Siyempre. Ano naman yun? Wala, ang sarap. Mama, ito.
Lalagay ko lang sa tubig na.
Paluwings yan.
Anong tawag?
Kalabaw.
Anong tawag?
Paluwing.
Buffalo wings.
May pakpak pala yung kalabaw.
Happy birthday to
Buksan mo yan, tsaka buksan mo.
Oh, this is
Pansit.
chicken wings.
Todo talaga sa
Buffalo chicken wings. May pansit pala ito. Pansit with kikiam and meatball, fishball.
Ay, joke pala si Tita Maylin.
Ay, oo nga, nasa cellphone ko.
medyo pwera.
The besi. Teka. Ito ba?
Oh, yan. Buksan na pati yung pansit, oh. Pati yung pansit, buksan na.
Hindi ko alam.
Diyan, dyan. Tigyan mo doon.
Gusto ko lang ng red ribbon. Hindi mo kasi.
Diba maliit yung
Hindi,
sa'yo?
kinukulit si Maybelline niya.
Ilagay mo dito yung cake.
Dito. Parang bago. Dito, pag natitingin sa camera, wala tayo dito. Dito, game. Kuya tayo.
Game.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Dadikit ka sa cake. Ay, hindi. Pipicturean ka. Ganun
Didikit
mo.
sa cake.
Wait lang.
Nakamama sa Timaylin.
Ngiti ka ta.
Yay! Wala na.
Ilapit mo sa cake.
Oh, picture.
Lagay ko sana yan. Oh, picture daddy, kasama ka dito.
Oo. Kasama nga.
Picture ni Maylin. Hindi yan plastic.
Okay, picture taking time.
Icing.
But the day isn't over. May merienda pa namin.
Nandito pa yung ping rock niya.